Now let us see a numerical in order to understand the Dalton's law of partial pressure. A neon and oxygen mixture contains 70.6 grams of oxygen and 167.5 grams of neon. If mixture of gases has a pressure of 25 bar, find the partial pressure of neon and oxygen. So we are supposed to find out the partial pressure of the oxygen and neon. But for this we need to know the first number of moles of, let's find out oxygen first. It will be mass of oxygen upon molar mass of oxygen. Mass of oxygen given is 70.6, here it is given. We know molecular mass is 32, so it will become 32 to about approximately 264, 2.21 will be the number of moles. Similarly, find out number of moles of neon, which will be the mass of weight of the neon and the molar mass of neon. It is 167.5 grams is the mass given, and its molar mass is 20 grams per mole. So, 8 it will become 8.375. So, these are the number of moles of the two gases we have. So, we can write down mole fraction of oxygen will be number of moles of oxygen upon number of moles of oxygen upon number of moles of neon. So, it will be 2.21 upon 2.21 plus 8.375. So, this comes out to be your 0.21 approximately. So, if number of moles of oxygen are 0.21, number of moles of neon will be 1 minus 0.21, so it will be 0.79. So, now we can find out, therefore, partial pressure of oxygen will be total number of moles of mole fraction of oxygen upon into total pressure. So, it will be 0.21 into total pressure is how much? This is 25 bar. So, into 25 bar. So, this comes out to be 5.25 bar. And therefore, the partial pressure of neon will be number of mole fraction of neon into total pressure. It's 0.79 into what, 25 bar. So it will be your 19.75 bar. So this is how we can find out the partial pressures of the different gases.